come. Both teams emerging from the tunnel into one of the £90,000 players between the meatballs final. Portugal versus Brazil.
Leading the line for Portugal, 22 years old, captain's armband, World Cup final.
The youngest captain to lead Portugal World Cup in everything. Brazil will need to watch number 10 very carefully tonight.
Cole drives forward, past one, past two, oh what a touch, and Cole shoots the post so close, that is inches away. What have we got back in this World Cup?
How did you see that? You didn't even look.
I always know where you are.
Listen to this stadium.
Listen to it.
12 minutes remaining, Portugal level and everything to play for.
This entire video is generated using Seedance 2.0, and we can generate unlimited videos with Seedance at the same time, no restrictions, no limits, and even real human face support. This platform is an all-in-one AI platform, and you get a lot of AI tools in one place. You don't need a subscription for this platform, and you can use it for free. You also get Gemini Omni, Google's best AI video model. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this football video using Seedance 2.0 and GPT Image to inside this platform without restrictions. So make sure you pay close attention. Let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. If you are trying to grow your content or business, you must understand the easiest way to use AI tools and keep yourself updated with the latest technology. This will help you stay competitive in the market. That's exactly why I'm using Easemate AI is your all-in-one AI platform where you can create AI content, study, and work efficiently. Easemate offers a wide range of AI features in one place. You can generate images, videos, use AI chat, and much more, everything inside a single platform. And as I mentioned earlier, you get access to many AI tools free of cost, so you don't need to pay anything. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, click here and it will bring you to this page. This is your free AI chat assistant, and you get access to all the latest AI models here like Gemini 3.5 Flash, GPT 5.5, and more. You can also use older models completely free. From the side menu, you can see all the available AI features. They also recently launched a new AI automation agent that makes content creation much easier. So today, I'm going to use the AI image and AI video features. First, let's generate images. Click on it, and you can choose between text to image and image to image. If you scroll down, you'll find all the trending templates in one place. You can recreate your image with just one click. Right now, this stadium template is trending, and you can easily create images and even convert them into videos with Seedance 2.0. So let's generate our character image. I'm using text to image, then select the image model. As you can see, you get multiple image models here, but I'm going with GPT Image 2. Next, enter your prompt. You can also use the prompt enhance feature to improve the output. Then select the aspect ratio and image resolution. I recommend selecting 4K for better results. Now click generate. It's processing, and here is the result. As you can see, it looks like a player from the Portugal team, and the jersey details plus face consistency are next level. We can convert this image into a video, and if you are not satisfied with the result, simply regenerate it. Once you are happy with the output, download the image from here. Now let's generate our first scene. Select image to image. Attach the character sheet as the reference image. Then I took help from Claude to create the prompts, so I'll paste them here. The rest of the process is the same, click generate. And here is the result. As you can see, it looks like a football match is about to start, and all the players are entering the ground. Check out the realism, it looks incredibly real. Using the same steps, I generated the other scenes as well. Just add the last generated image as a reference to maintain consistency across all scenes, and that's how all the images were generated. Now let's convert these images into videos. You can also generate videos using these trending templates. You can create videos from text, images, and even existing videos. For this tutorial, I'm using image to video, and it will bring you to a similar dashboard. As you can see, Seedance 2.0 is available here along with other models, and Google's advanced video model, Google Gemini Omni, is also available. For this example, I'm using Seedance 2.0, and I recommend using universal reference if you want longer videos with better character consistency. First, upload the character sheet and the first scene image, then add them into the prompt section as references. After that, paste your video prompt, including commentary and character dialogues. Now pay attention here. If your video includes a real person reference, enable this option so your video can generate without restrictions. This feature is available in Easemate AI and gives you more flexibility during generation. After that, Select the aspect ratio and video quality. You can generate videos up to 1080p. Then select the duration. We can generate videos up to 15 seconds. Also, make sure audio is enabled, otherwise, your video will generate without voice. Now click Generate. It's generating. And here is the result.
And here they come, both teams emerging from the tunnel into one of the 90,000 pound weight between the meatloaf's final. Portugal versus Brazil.
Leading the line for Portugal, 22 years old, captain's armband, World Cup final.
The youngest captain to lead Portugal World Cup in open. Brazil will need to watch number 10 very carefully tonight.
The result is amazing. It actually feels like we are watching a real football match. The commentary adds an even more realistic and cinematic vibe to the whole video. What impressed me the most is the character consistency. Even during movement and different camera angles, the character details stay very accurate and consistent throughout the scene. The crowd atmosphere, player animations, camera movement, and overall realism make the final output look next level. It doesn't feel like a typical AI-generated video, it feels like an actual sports broadcast. So using the same steps, I generated our second scene, and at the same time I also generated all the remaining scenes. The best part is that we didn't face any generation restrictions during the process. Easemate AI allows you to generate multiple Seedance 2.0 videos at the same time, which makes the workflow much faster and easier. Within around 3 to 5 minutes, all the videos were generated. After that, I simply downloaded all the clips and merged them together using CapCut. And here is the final result.
And here they come, both teams emerging from the tunnel into one of the 90,000 pound weight between the meatloaf's final. Portugal versus Brazil.
Leading the line for Portugal, 22 years old, captain's armband, World Cup final.
The youngest captain to lead Portugal World Cup in open. Brazil will need to watch number 10 very carefully tonight.
Cole drives forward, pass 1, pass 2, oh what a touch, and Cole shoots the post so close. That is inches away from opening the scoring in this World Cup final. Cole just watches the ball come back, no frustration, no drama, that calmness, that is what separates the truly great players.
Next one goes in.
Look at everyone else is devastated. He is just standing there at the centre circle, thinking, I know that look. That is not a beaten man. That is someone who just did 22-year-old.
23 minutes.
Cole through ball Gonçalves and it's in. Portugal equalise. What have we got to back in this World Cup final?
How did you see that? You didn't even look.
I always know where you are.
Listen to this stadium.
Listen to it. 12 minutes remaining, Portugal level and everything to play for. Cole, volley. Ethan Cole, the 89th minute of the World Cup final. Portugal lead 2-1.
Hold the line. 1 minute. Hold it.
The whistle! It's 2-1 in the 89th minute ever. This extraordinary young man has led his country, Ethan Cole. Portugal World Cup winner!
Pro secret. This one, hit that like button. We earned it. World champions.
As you can see, the transitions look smooth, character consistency is maintained across every scene, and the final output feels like a complete cinematic football sequence instead of separate AI-generated clips. The overall quality, realism, and storytelling make the final video look incredibly professional. You can also generate these viral trending images inside Easemate AI using your own face. Just use Nano Banana 2 for celebrity-style images, and all the prompts are available here. As I mentioned earlier, you also get access to football stadium templates and many other trending templates in one place. So you can simply generate your image and then convert it into a video using Seedance 2.0. Make sure to enable the real person reference option if you are using your own uploaded reference image. This helps maintain better facial consistency and creates more natural-looking results in the generated video. The final output looks incredibly realistic, almost like a real-life celebrity interaction scene with cinematic camera movement and natural expressions. You can experiment with different outfits, stadium environments, entrances, celebrations, and cinematic moments to create unique content for social media. If we talk about pricing, Easemate offers a free plan for all users, and you get access to many AI tools at no cost. However, image and video generation may have some limitations on the free plan. If you want higher limits and more generation access, you can consider the Pro plan, which starts at $20. And if you choose the annual plan, you can save up to 32%. One thing I like is that you get access to multiple AI tools in one place instead of paying for different platforms separately. You can also use Easemate on your mobile, which makes it easy to create content anywhere. I'll provide the link in the description. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.